Morning folks. Right, that's us emptied, filled,
Tidied up
and just leaving Ypres. So we're going to hit the road and get where we need to be, and we will pick you up as and when we get there.
Okay.
I have no idea what that is. Not a clue.
No.
That must be a statue of St Anne.
Well, yeah, I didn't get that on.
Yeah, right. But there's another bit there.
Yeah.
Oh.
It must be modern art, maybe?
Yeah, it's got to be, isn't it?
Some kind of...
Yeah, some kind of modern art.
Maybe?
Yeah.
Very odd.
Yeah.
That was the old border crossing.
It will have been, most definitely.
Yeah. We're now in Luxembourg.
Well, we
No,
are now.
don't know what that sign said.
Right, we've arrived in Trier and we are now going to go. We've dug the bikes out the garage of the motorhome, and we are now going to go for a bike ride down the river, which I believe is the Mosel.
It is.
It is.
Says so on the big...
It says on the big map. So we're
Yeah.
going to go for a ride down the Mosel River. Slight change of plans. We were going to go down to Fussen tomorrow, but with the weather and the fact that it's taken us nearly 6 hours to get here today because of the weather, we're going to spend an extra day here, aren't we?
Yeah.
Because there's so much to do in...
Just going to bypass.
Yeah, we're going to bypass Fussen because it's just too far south.
Yeah.
So we're going to... There is so much to do in Trier, we're going to spend an extra day here and do it all today and tomorrow. So, right, I'll spin you back round and we'll go for this bike ride. This is the Porta Nigra. It's a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Oh, construction was started in 170 BC, so it's Roman in origin. And apparently it was never finished, but they don't know why. Very impressive. Where? Yeah.
Sehr geil mit dem Weinplatz.
He said the touristy tat stuff was up here, didn't he? Yeah. This is the Dom, or Cathedral, right in the middle of Trier, in a cracking little square as well. Yeah, some basically bistros and bars dotted around. Yeah. And apparently you can get tours around the entire town on one of them.
Yeah.
€10 a head, I believe.
I believe so.
Yeah. Morning, folks. Well, the weather's conspired against us again. It's chucking it down in Trier. So instead of walking back into town and getting absolutely drowned, we've chosen something to do nearby that's indoors. So what we'll do is we'll get this place sorted out, get on the road, and we'll pick you up when we get there. Right, we're departing the Stellplatz at Trier, so we're just going to go and pay for that, so we'll show you that on here.
You could put the things in there if you wanted to.
Yeah, could do. So what we've got to do here, love, so let's get paying, shall we?
Choose your language.
Okay. Check out.
Please
Pop your
proceed.
card in,
Enter
which you get
card.
issued at the gate when you come in.
Ooh, good God.
Swallowed that nicely, didn't it?
Yeah, reading card.
€12.20 for the night. Happy with that?
Continue to pay.
In cash.
Cash. Pay for bill, pay now. And 3 hours. card rating in progress. Process. New card now. There's your
There's the receipt.
And a card to get out.
Lovely. All sorted. Cord. Handbrake. Let's rock and roll.
Yeah. That was very painless, wasn't it?
It was. Extremely painless.
Yeah.
Am I
So
close enough?
Yeah, it should be. Yeah, and I suppose the cards just get reused all the time.